Welcome to Internet Broadcast Academy. This is the Sam Broadcaster video number 3, Going Live. In the second video, we covered the customization and setup of your Sam window, as well as the installation of your encoder. Now you're ready to broadcast. The first thing to do is to double check your microphone settings to make sure that Sam is properly recognizing your microphone. In the voice effects box, go ahead and click Mic Off. It will light up and change to Mic On. To test your microphone, hold down the Press to Talk button. You'll know it's working properly when the green indicator bars move up and down. At this point, you may also be hearing an echo of your own voice. If you do, simply move to the left side of your screen, upper left-hand corner, and click the mute button, and it'll light up. This will prevent Sam Broadcaster from allowing you to hear your own voice or the music that you're playing. Whether you're muted or unmuted will not have any effect at all on what your listeners are hearing. Instead of just holding down the Press to Talk button, you can also hold down the Lock Talk. This will leave the microphone open and you can talk at your leisure. This will be most useful for talk shows. Pay close attention to the volume level of your microphone as well as your music. If you're moving up into the yellow and red, you are too loud and you are currently blasting your listeners' ears off. Either move away from your microphone to bring yourself back into the green, or you can adjust the music and mic volume sliders on any window that's currently playing. Now for music. In most cases, the music will be stored in the track selected category. You can load items either from here or from your history into the queue. It's very important at the top to choose which type of DJ mode you're going to be in. Sam Broadcaster will typically default to Auto DJ. This will be useful if you are doing a music show and will want several songs to play in a row while you step away from the console. In most cases, if you're going to be actively in front of your computer, you'll want to choose Manual DJ so that you have more control over when songs play. Any items that are in the queue will feed automatically between Deck A and Deck B. Double-clicking it will start the process. Now the first track is playing in Deck A. We can also see this indicated in the volume levels down at the bottom of our encoder. Once it finishes, because we're in Manual DJ, the next song will not start. If we were to choose Auto DJ and play the next track, it'll pick up again in Deck A and it'll play over the air. When it's completed, the queue will move the next item into Deck B and will play that automatically. You have equalization and customization options within the Deck A and Deck B windows to control fading in, fading out, and time delay between tracks. Your IBA instructor will give you information on how to control this for maximum effect and the best quality broadcast. Finally, you have the option to use sound effects. From the window drop-down, you can choose a sound effects button. Here, you'll be able to load sound effects, either demo, preloaded effects, or load items of sound effects from your playlist and tracks category. Remember always to save your configuration. Finally, it's time to go live. Once you have confirmed your settings and you have your music or playlist ready to go, you'll move to your Encoders tab. Click once to highlight the encoder you're going to use. When you're ready to go live, simply click the black triangle to play. You will see it now says encoding. At this point, you are broadcasting live on your radio station. Be aware again of your volume settings, and also be aware of the track quality and the track volume. Once you have finished your set or finished your show, you will click the black square to stop. Here's a couple of reminders. There will typically be a 5 to 10 second delay between what you're saying and doing and what will come over the air. This is a natural occurrence in internet broadcasting. Additionally, you may encounter connection problems depending on your computer's processing power and the strength of your internet signal. It is generally recommended that you broadcast on a broadband connection, not a dial-up. It is also recommended that whenever possible, you have your computer or laptop hardwired Ethernet directly to your internet router. Wireless connections can often cause difficulty, and you will see error messages as well as disconnection statuses in your encoder. If this continues to happen, see your IBA instructor for additional information. This concludes your Sam Broadcaster tutorial. Now get out there and have a great show.